Hi guys, welcome back again. So in the previous session, what we have learned about is about process builder. So using process builder, we have created a record in the child thing. We have learned that in process builder, things work both way to look in lookup as well as in master detail, and you can update. It can be done from child to parent as well as from parent to child. Now let's try to update a record. So the navigation part, I believe you are aware how to go to the navigation part. Let's click on the process builder. So click on new, taking it as update. A record change happens. Object. What object we want to perform is on opportunity. Okay, click on save. Criteria. Record update. So what criteria we want to add? Let's say what all things are there on the opportunity. Let's check once. Click on new. Okay, when the lead source equals web, that's when we want to perform this action. Okay. Lead source equals, it's a pick list value, web. You want the action to be performed. You can actually schedule it a time if you want it to be a time dependent action, but we wanted to make sure that you understand it, so I'm let's put taking everything in immediate action. So what is that? Updating the record. Record type is what does that we want to update here. Let's check. So learn the lead source is web, make the type as or else, yeah, I'll make the type as new customer. New customer. Save. Activate. Confirm. Right. Go to opportunities. Test. PB. Lead source is web. Stage name prospecting. This is today. Save. See, a type has become new customer. I haven't done anything. I've just made sure my criteria is met. So when the criteria is met, the field update has happened. So this is within the object we are trying to update a field. Now let's try to update a field between account and opportunity. View all processes. Let's click on test, or else view all processes, click on new. Criteria PC, that's parent to child. and the conditions are met. So let's take a condition. What all things we have here? When account rating equals hot, immediate action. Record update. OPP action. Alright. Now let's see. Opportunity. We have opportunity. What is the field that we want to update on the opportunity? Right. Okay. We'll update the stage name. Stage name equals let's make it closed one. Let's save it. Activate. Confirm. Let's go to accounts. Test PB2. Account rating should be hot. Now save this. Now go to opportunities. Test PB2. Now select an account. What is that we have? Like we have this one, because in this we have selected the rating to be hot. Close date. If you can see, I'm just putting it in qualification, just saving it. Let's see what happens to the stage name. This hasn't fired. I believe that two things that are working here. Let's see, make sure we deactivate one. Okay, this is parent to child. What is happening here? Closed one, yeah. Not the criteria are met. When is that we created it? When a record is created. Yeah. Okay, let's clone this process. Alright, there is an error that is happening. As this is the just a training application, this is not a full-fledged thing. Sometimes what happens is you get a lot of errors. Let's stop it. Let's check this again. Yeah, it should work. This is the correct logic, but it seems that there is some technical difficulty, so this is not happening. Let's go into this one and see a few things. Or see, I'll explain you few of these things, how this you can start these things. Let's do one thing. Let's refresh the page again. It's not working. So I believe there is some technical issue. But this is how it has to work. See, but you can see the other workflow is working. There's an issue that what we have created so far. So we also create the thing is also assigned here if you can see, but the stage has not been updated. And this. Okay, let's check it out later on. Okay, so here we have a description about what a process builder is, how it is enabled, why process builder. So if you can see, they have given in a pictorial format or what all things that we can do. See, they have given it in a pictorial format, what to do, how to do it. Everything has been mentioned here. Go through each and everything, try to create whatever you can create and try to master the process builder as well. So we'll get back in the next section any which way. Thank you.